Hi all, another one of these little catch-up videos. So this is Wayne's 1290 Superduke, and doesn't it look well? So Wayne dropped it in this morning and the bike was covered in a bit of, I suppose we call it concrete dust, so that's what it would be like, which had kind of congealed and settled on the bottom of the engine. That little bit down there in the front cover, and you can see it there, that was completely covered in it, like. But anyway, we managed to get it off. Some things to point out in this bike. Look, the sexiness is that the sexiness that is a single sided swing arm. KTM got that one right in that one, and obviously the lovely ant head. Beautiful condition. Bike's in really nice condition. Wayne keeps it well. So anybody's looking to get their bike done, you can give me a shout. Brian 086 839 1085. That's Brian on 086 839 1085. Almost forgot my own phone number there. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably put a couple of photographs of before and afters on this as well. Alright, cheers.